Hi guys, my name is Ata and today topic is sand batteries. First of all, what is sand batteries? Sand batteries are also known as sand-based thermal energy storage system. These are the type of thermal energy storage technology that uses sand as a storage medium. Here's how they work. Sand is heated to a high temperature around 100 centigrade, 100,000 centigrade using excess energy for renewable resources like solar or wind power. The heated sand is then stored in insulated container or silos. When energy is needed, the hot and sand is used to generate steam which drives a turbine to produce electricity. Benefits of sand battery. Low cost sand is abundant and inexpensive. High energy density sands can store a lot of thermal energy relative to its volume. Long duration sand batteries can store energy for several hours for even days. Scalability sand batteries can be scaled up down for depending on energy needs. Sustainability sand batteries are sustainable and environmentally friendly way to store energy. Now I will tell you about application of sand batteries. Renewable energy integration sand batteries can help stabilize the grid and ensure stable energy supply when combined with renewable energy. Application of sand batteries. Peak shaving. Sand batteries can reduce peak demand on the grid during periods of high energy usage. Backup power. Sand batteries can provide backup power during outages and emergencies. Industrial process. Sand batteries can provide heat for industrial processes and such as cement production or chemical processing. Overall, sand batteries offer a promising solution for thermal energy storage, enabling the efficient and sustainable storage of energy for various applications. Here are some additional aspects of sand batteries. Types of sand batteries. Silica sand, quartz sand, and other types of sand can be used for sand batteries. Insulation and containment. Proper insulation and containment system are crucial for to the maintenance the high quality temperature and prevent heat loss. Heat transfer builds. Heat transfer builds like fluids like molten salts or oil can be used to transfer heat from the sand to steam generator. Steam generator. Steam generator is generated by passing water through hot and sand which drives a turbine to produce electricity. Sand batteries can achieve efficiency rates of around 90% and can operate up to for 30 years. Scalability and modularity. Sand batteries can be scaled up to down depending on energy needs that can be designed in modular fashion. Cost effectiveness. Sand batteries can be more cost effective than other thermal energy storage solutions. Environmental impact. Sand batteries have a relatively low environmental impact compared to other energy technologies. Research and deployment. Ongoing research aims to improve the efficiency, cost effectiveness, and scalability of sand batteries. Real world applications. Sand batteries are being used in various pilot projects and commercial applications such as renewable energy integration, industry processes, and grid scale energy storage. These additional aspects highlight the potential and versatility of sand batteries as thermal energy storage solution. Here are some additional aspects of sand batteries. Advantages. Advantage of sand batteries are these are high thermal conductivity, low thermal expansion, chemical insertion, abundance and low cost. Challenges. Heat loss during storage, scalability and size limitation, material compatibility and corrosion, energy density and efficiency, research and development, exploring new materials and combination, improving insulation and heat retention, scaling up and modular design, integration with new renewable energy sources, application. Concentrated solar power system, industry process heat, district heating and cooling, electrical work, charging infrastructure, companies and projects. Siemens Gamesa sand-based thermal energy storage system, Fraunhofer IC sand-based thermal energy storage research, the Sandstone project Australia for CSP system, future prosperation, improve efficiency and cost reduction integration with other storage technology. Sand batteries offer a promising solution for thermal energy storage and ongoing research development aim to address the challenges and limitations making them more visible and efficient option for various applications. Thank you so much.